Well, when we were coming down I-75, there was a lot of rain, and we were seeing actually water in the trough underneath the windshield inside the motorhome, and we thought it might be the windshield seal, but it doesn't seem to be that because I sealed that up and we were still getting water in there. So when we went through the truck wash, they used the high pressure sprayers, and we actually saw water coming in the side window on the motorhome. And if you look up at the top here, there should be a little gutter spout at the end of the gutter here. So we called Fleetwood, and they had the little gutter piece in stock. They're 99 cents. So we had one delivered here to the Red Coconut, and they come white plastic, but ours originally are the body color, which is kind of a black, and we had some touch-up paint. So I painted it, and now I'm going to use some silicone and put silicone around there and glue it back up onto the motorhome. Well, we haven't seen water here in Florida yet, but we'll probably see it on our trip somewhere, and hopefully this will fix our water inside the motorhome problem.